This is a real-life Minecraft enchantment table.
So I had this weird idea. I love Minecraft and I need a coffee table. And then I thought, wouldn't an enchantment table make an awesome coffee table? So the idea is, when you walk around the coffee table, you can see the book that's placed on it anywhere as you look at it.
So naturally, I opened up Fusion 360 and immediately remembered how much I hate Fusion 360. But for real, I whipped up a quick Fusion 360 model to go off of, and this gave me the dimensions needed to cut the wood. Not gonna lie, I'm a little intimidated by this project, because I never did any woodworking before, but it ended up coming out good. I used a circular saw to cut some MDF boards, and gave it a coat of primer. Then I quickly sketched a grid pattern to help me paint. I thought I had a good idea to use masking tape to get clean lines, but unfortunately, it was not doing that, so I decided to freehand it, and I think it came out pretty good. Then, I 3D printed the mechanical housing, which rotated and housed an ESP32 cam. So how does this work? The ESP32 sends video frames over Wi-Fi to my PC, which runs a face detection model using OpenCV. It then figures out where your face is in the frame, and then sends a command back to the ESP32 to rotate the motor left or right. Well, at least that's how it's supposed to work. So, this is the first assembly. I'm not gonna lie, I already tested it and there is a problem. When I started testing it, the motor was stalling and behaving inconsistently. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like the motor's trying to spin. Like if I give it a little nudge. Turns out the L298N motor driver I was using wasn't really great. So I swapped it out for 8833 and suddenly everything just works. Smoother motion, better response, and no weird behavior. I think it's just the wires are in the way, but it's tracking kind of. I just need to tweak it a little bit, but it's tracking, which is so cool. With it functioning correctly, I then cut a hole at the top and installed the housing. I just need to run the code to see it start moving. So it should be tracking my face. So all there's left to do is place the book on it and bring it to the living room. This was by far the coolest project I ever built, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and maybe enchanting the subscribe button.